Introducing our aircraft marshalling course. Are you ready to master the safe maneuvering and handling of aircraft according to ICAO rules of the air? Look no further than the Aircraft Marshalling Course by AM Risk and Training, a registered ATO with SACAA. In just 2 days, 16 hours, including a 1-hour examination and 7 hours of practical training, you'll gain the knowledge and skills necessary to conduct safe ground operations and guide aircraft to their parking stands with precision and confidence. Upon completion of the training, you'll be able to explain the importance of safe ground operations in the aviation industry, understand aircraft marshalling standards regardless of destination or origin, identify hazards associated with aircraft marshalling, familiarize yourself with the VDGS and its functionality, describe different categories of aircraft marshalling, recognize the importance of personal protective clothing, identify apron markings and docking systems, safe dock, demonstrate FOD inspection procedures, guide pilots to designated parking stands safely and effectively, execute proper shutdown procedures, ensure the safety of service providers approaching the aircraft, maneuver aircraft onto apron parking stands safely, and utilize correct marshalling signals and effectively. Our course concludes with a final examination containing 7 objective questions of 34 points, ensuring thorough understanding with an 80% pass mark. Join us today and become proficient in aircraft marshalling, contributing to the overall safety and efficiency of ground operations. Visit our website to enroll and subscribe for updates.